A very good morning and Jai Hind dear students. I hope you have read this chapter number 19, pollution of water and air. So yesterday we have done the introductory part of this chapter and I asked you to read 2-3 pages of this chapter. So I hope most of you have done that and you have got some idea about what we are going to study in this chapter. So, children, as the name of chapter says, pollution of water and air. So here we are only going to focus on these two types of pollutions, that is water pollution and air pollution. Okay, I hope children you are clear with what is pollution. So what is pollution? When there is certain unwanted substance present in the natural resources and it harms humans, animals and material, then it is called pollution. ठीक है? We live on the planet called Earth. Okay, we know that to survive on this earth, for survival of the human, for the survival of a living organism, there are certain essential things that are very important. That is water, air, and atmosphere, plants, animals, all these things are very important. Like complete environment and complete ecosystem is very important. And to live a healthy life and to sustain a life smoothly, but it is very much essential that all these things should be clean. Like water should be clean, okay? Air should be clean. It should not be polluted. ओके इफ इट इज पोल्यूटेड, अगर उसमें कोई गंदगी आ जाती है, वाटर में कोई गंदगी आ जाती है, एयर में कोई गंदगी आ जाती है, देन अ ह्यूमन सफर विथ certain types of diseases and it becomes uneasy for a human or animal or plant to survive on this planet earth. Okay, so to maintain it and what is pollution, what we are going to study in this chapter, we have already discussed in the previous class. So now today children, we will start with the first type of pollution, that is water pollution. Okay, so first we are going to talk about what is water, how water is important, what are the several uses of water, and then we will see what is water pollution and what are the causes of water pollution and how we can control or conserve these pollution. Okay, so let's quickly start with it. I hope children you have read the chapter, so I'm not going to read the lines of the chapter. I'll just explain you few important topics that are very important, and I'll also talk about few extra things that are not given in your chapter. Okay, and you need to know. So let's start with it. So chapter number 19, pollution of water and air, and today we are focusing on only water pollution and in next class we'll talk about air pollution and all. Okay, so let's start with it. Water pollution. So first we will talk about what is water. We'll talk about sources of water, uses of water and water as a renewable resource. And then we will see what is water pollution, what is the definition of it, what are water pollutants, causes of water pollution, conservation of water, potable water, Ganga Action Plan and few other policies we will also see of government like Namami Gange project, Clean Ganga project, Yamuna Action Plan. So all this we will talk in this topic. Clear? So I hope everybody is ready. So children, let's start with our first topic of this chapter, that is sources of water, though it is not mentioned in your book as a source of water, but we are going to talk about it. So children, when we talk about water, जब भी हम पानी की बात करते हैं, so we know that water is not essential only for drinking purpose. Okay, water is one of the most essential natural resource that is involved in each and every field, be it industry, be it agricultural field, be it required by the farmers or humans or animals or plants, everywhere, in everything, this water is very essential. Okay, so from where we get these water? What is the source of water? So children, we know that there are several sources of water, like we can get the water from wells, we can get the water from river, we can get it from water reservoirs, lakes, glaciers, okay? And also a very important source of water is rainwater, okay? This is one of the very important source of water, okay? Now, these rainwater can also be stored and it can be used, okay, not for drinking purpose, but yes, for other domestic uses we can use rain water by storing it, okay. This is called rainwater harvesting. This is called rainwater harvesting. So what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is basically when we store the rainwater and we use it for certain domestic purposes, then it is called rainwater harvesting, okay. So there are several techniques that you will learn in your higher classes, okay. So from where we can get the water? पानी कहाँ कहाँ present होता है? पानी rivers में, lake में, wells में, reservoir, glaciers, सब जगह पानी present होता है, okay. We can get water. These are the sources of water. Even oceans and sea, they are having water, okay. So we can get water from all these important sources. Children, water is available at two surfaces. Like we can obtain the water at the surface, and there are certain waters that are present inside the ground, which is called groundwater. So water, basically, if we talk about the availability of water, so we have two places where waters are available, that is surface water and groundwater. What is surface water? जितने भी river, lake, ocean, sea, wells, ये सब जो पानी होते हैं जो हमें ऊपर की तरफ दिख रहे हैं, which is present above the certain water table level, so they are called surface water, ठीक है. Then we have groundwater. There are certain amount of water that are present beneath the ground, under the ground, okay. Like आप लोग के घर में बोरिंग होगी या ट्यूबवेल्स होंगे, तो ट्यूबवेल का पानी कहाँ से आता है? Everybody must have seen the tubewell and everybody must have seen the hand pump. तो हैंड पंप में पानी कहाँ से आता है? You have seen hand pump. हैंड पंप में क्या होता है कि see, I'm not very good at drawing, but yes, I can give it a bit structure. So if this is a hand pump, तो इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें से पानी आता है, right? कहाँ से आता है ये पानी? So the pipe undergo beneath and deep inside it goes very deep inside to the water table level, okay. और यहाँ पे present होता है water and they take water from here. So these water that are present under the ground, it is called groundwater. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्राउंड वाटर. इवन व्हेन अगर आप बोरिंग करा रहे हैं अपने घर में, या इफ यू से अगर आपके घर में मशीन लगी है, हैंड पंप लगा है, कुछ भी, सो पानी कहाँ से आ रहा है? द फ्रेश वाटर दैट वी आर गेटिंग फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, बेसिकली द वाटर वी यूज फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस is basically the groundwater, because groundwater is considered to be fresh water, and fresh, what you can say, fresh but less polluted. Groundwaters are less polluted as compared to the surface water. Surface water क्या होता है? सरफेस वाटर हो गया जो पानी हमें ऊपर की तरफ दिख रहा है, जैसे कि रिवर का पानी, लेक का पानी, ओशन, सी, तो ये सब पानी हमें ऊपर सरफेस की तरफ दिख रहे हैं. सो दे आर कॉल्ड सरफेस वाटर, एंड बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपोज्ड to air and atmosphere and several gases that are present in atmosphere, so there is more chance of becoming it polluted, isn't it? अगर कोई चीज सरफेस पे है तो वो जल्दी पॉल्यूट होगी एज कंपेयर टू कि जो पानी अंडरग्राउंड है, क्योंकि जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर है, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग एक्सपोज टू द एयर, they are not getting exposed to the pollutants. Okay, so groundwater is considered to be less polluted as compared to the surface water, and that is why groundwater is preferred for drinking purpose. Clear? That is why groundwater is preferred for drinking purpose. So I think you are clear with from where we can get the water. So water, depending on its availability, are divided into two categories: surface water and groundwater. Surface waters are those water that are present above the surface or above the ground level, and groundwater are those water that are present beneath the ground, and we take that water with the help of a pump, or with the help of a boring machine, or with the help of a hand pump. Okay, so these are the medium through which we take this ground water. Okay. Now, apart from this differentiation of surface water and groundwater, water are also divided into two categories, that is fresh water and saline water. Okay. Now, what is fresh water and what is saline water? See, we know that the water of ocean, sea, are high in salt content, isn't it? जो ओशन और सी और का पानी होता है, उसमें क्या होता है? They have salt content, and we also call them marine water. Okay, but the water of river, lake, all right, wells, they do not contain salt. इनमें salt नहीं होता, and that is why they are called fresh water. Okay, we have saline or marine water, or we also call it as salty water. So water is also divided into these two categories, that is fresh water and salty water. So the water which contains salt, like the water of ocean and sea, are called salty water, marine water or saline water, and the water of river, lake, wells are called fresh water because they do not contain salt. Clear? Now we cannot use these saline and salty water. We already know it. Okay, हम ये पानी अपने domestic purpose और अपने like industries में भी we cannot use it, right? Because it is containing salt, and salt is high. Like we cannot drink this salty water, we cannot give this salty water to the plants, animals cannot drink this salty water. Okay, even aquatic animals do not survive in this salty water. Okay, so that is why these waters are of no use. It is of use just to extract the salt or to take the salt from these ocean and sea. हम इनसे सब सिर्फ salt extract करते हैं, salt बनाते हैं वहां से. So yes, we can take salt from there, but it is not good or it is not beneficial for our daily use. Okay, so we are left with only sea water जो कि हमें river, lake, wells और सब जगह से मिल रहा है. Getting it? So these are the two differentiation. These are the two types. That is surface water, groundwater, and fresh water and saline or marine water. Okay, these are the sources of water. Now coming on to the next topic, that is uses of water. We know that children, in a very general terms, और आपने पहले भी classes में पढ़ा होगा 5th, 6th, 7th में, that water is very essential and there are several uses of water. Like very important is drinking. So for drinking we require water, isn't it? For like 70%, 60 to 70% of our body is made up of water. It contains 70 to 60%. Human body contains 70 to 60% of the water. Okay, then water is required for other domestic purposes. So we are differentiating it into these several categories, as you can see in the pie chart here, that 70% of the water, of the fresh water, basically if we are talking about here, so 70% of the fresh water are used in agricultural field. Okay, 22% are used in industrial purposes. Okay, and only 8% is used for domestic needs. Domestic need की अगर हम बात करें, so we are talking about the humans use. ठीक है, like we use water for drinking, definitely, for washing, we use it in toilet, we use it for cooking, all right, for cleaning purpose. So all these things are included in domestic needs. Okay, in agriculture we know for growing crops we require, for irrigation, all right, water is very essential in agricultural field also. Okay, in industries there are several industries like paper industry, steel industry, where water is used in abundance to produce or for the manufacture of these products. Okay, so water is used in agricultural field, domestic needs are there, there are industrial needs. So water is used everywhere and it is very useful, we all know it. Okay, and this is the only concern of, like, हम ये टॉपिक पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं, हम वाटर पे इतना डिस्कशन कर क्यों रहे हैं. The reason behind is this, that water is so useful that we cannot survive without water, plants cannot survive without water, animals cannot survive without water. And now if we look at the statistical data today, so we are having the scarcity of the water. Okay, now you will say that, ma'am, we have heard that 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So if 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, then why everybody and every time we say that there is a scarcity of water? So in the next topic, I'm going to discuss that why we all the time say to save water, pani waste mat kariye, and why it is said that हमारे पास बहुत कम पानी है पीने के लिए, we have scarcity of water, so we should not waste it. Okay, and even the people have predicted that in upcoming years there will be so much scarcity of water that we would like, we will have a certain amount of water for our like if you go to, even today, if you go to certain like if you go to Delhi or Noida, okay, or any such places in south, so in Rajasthan even, so there people pay and they take water, okay, पानी का कंटेनर आता है डेली, okay, they give money and they purchase that water, और वो पूरा दिन, for a whole day, they do all the domestic purposes and all the things with that much water only, and they have to pay for it. We also pay a water tax, but here in Banaras, we don't have that much scarcity of water because of the Ganga river. Okay, but in upcoming years, there will be so much scarcity of water the way we are using it, because the population is increasing drastically. So, because the population is increasing, the use of water is also increasing, and हमारे पास अवेलेबल उतना ही है, लेकिन लोग बढ़ते जा रहे हैं तो यूज बढ़ता जा रहा है. So the day will come when our reservoir of water will, like, it is going to finish, and also जो भी पानी है हमारे पास, we are polluting it by dumping the waste, by dumping the sewage, by dumping unnecessary things in the water. Okay, so in upcoming years we are going to end up in a problem with water, scarcity of water हो जाएगा. There will be less water to drink, less water to do the certain domestic purpose, limited water होंगे हमारे पास, और हो सकता है हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन उनको फिर से वापस पानी की स्कार्सिटी हो जाए. Okay, so children, now because we are having ample of water, we should not waste it. Okay, and also we should not pollute it. Getting it? So these are the uses of water, and we definitely know that we cannot survive without water. Okay, so as you can see in the figure also, water is used for drinking, water is used in industrial purposes, it is used in agricultural field, it is used in several industries and for other domestic purposes. Okay, now children, very important thing here, just look at this diagram. This is very important, and this says, हम हर बार ये बात करते हैं ना कि पानी कम है, पानी की स्कैसिटी हो रही है, पानी वेस्ट मत करिए, don't just waste the water, we are having a scarcity of the water, but हम ये भी कहते हैं कि 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. So why we say जब 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, तो हम ये क्यों कहते हैं कि पानी की scarcity है? So this is the data why we say that we have this scarcity of water. Okay, so just look at it. उन 3/4 water में से, ठीक है, we have 97% of water that is present in ocean, which is marine water, that is which is salty water. ठीक है, 97% पानी खारा है. We only have 3% fresh water. We only have 3% fresh water. Getting it? Salty water को तो हम use नहीं कर सकते. We can only use a fresh water. अब उन 3% से fresh water में से भी there is 79% of the water that is in the form of ice caps and glaciers, जो कि ice के form में है, which also we cannot use. That is in the form of ice. We cannot use it. Okay. 29% of the water is a ground water, जो कि ground में present है, और हम ground में से भी पूरा पानी accessible नहीं है हमारे लिए. जहां तक हमारे हैंडपंप की पाइप जा रही है, जहां तक हमारे मशीन की पाइप जा रही है, वहीं तक का वाटर हमारे लिए एक्सेसिबल है. Deep inside, the water that is present deep inside the ground, that is not accessible. So if it is not accessible, so that becomes waste, isn't it? We are not going to use it. तो हम वो भी पानी यूज नहीं कर रहे. Okay, now we are left with only 1% of water, 1% of surface water, surface fresh water, that is the water of river, lake and wells. All right. इसमें से भी क्या होता है, कुछ वाटर डैम्प में यूज हो जाता है, कुछ वाटर हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन के लिए यूज कर लेते हैं. ओके, सो बिकॉज थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो चेंजिंग, एडवांसमेंट हो रहा है, तो डैम्प में यूज होता है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेशन में यूज होता है. सो these water are also getting used, isn't it? Now from this 1% water, 52% is of lake, 1% is present within us, 8% is water vapor. वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में रिलीज हो जाते, जैसे जो रिवर का वाटर है, isn't it? When sun rays will fall on these water, they will evaporate, isn't it? And will form a cloud. All right, which is also very important. But some like 8% of the water is evaporated. Okay, some of the water are submerged in the soil. So if this is a soil, तो सॉइल को मॉइस्चर देने के लिए भी इसमें कुछ वाटर कंटेंट प्रेजेंट है, दैट आल्सो वी कैन नॉट यूज. गेटिंग इट? सो जस्ट इमेजिन चिल्ड्रन कि पानी तो बहुत है हमारे पास, बट देयर आर सो मच यूजेस ऑफ वाटर, तो सो मच ऑफ वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर, कि फॉर अस टू ड्रिंक द वाटर वी हैव सो लिटिल वाटर टू ड्रिंक फॉर आवर डोमेस्टिक पर्पस. Isn't it? There is only 1% of water that is present in the river. Okay. Of this whole, like whole lot of percentage, जितने भी पानी है, उसमें से सिर्फ 1% है जो river में present है. And then also, we pollute the river. And that you know. You must have gone to घाट्स. आप घाट गए होगे. आपने देखा है वहां पे कि कितनी ज्यादा गंदगी होती है. Isn't it? So जो ये 1% पानी है हमारे पास, उसको भी हम पॉल्यूट कर रहे हैं. कौन पॉल्यूट कर रहा है? क्या कोई कहीं और से आ रहा है जो गंदगी फेंक दे रहा है, या कहीं से रैंडमली गंदगी आ जा रही है? नहीं, इट इज वी ह्यूमंस आर पॉल्यूटिंग इट. जो चीज हमारे पास है, वी आर नॉट गिविंग दैट मच वैल्यू टू इट एंड वी आर पॉल्यूटिंग इट. And then we talk about, we blame the government, we blame other people that yes, गंगा बहुत गंदी है, और कि गंगा जी का पानी बहुत गंदा है, पानी इतना पॉल्यूटेड है, एयर में इतना पॉल्यूशन है, we talk about it. So it is we humans, the humans that are polluting the water, we are polluting the air, and we are the reason for all these disasters and everything that is happening in this earth. And we are only complaining about it. So children, being the future of this country, or being the future of the world, you should take certain necessary actions regarding this. Okay, कहीं कोई गंदगी कर रहा है तो उसको मना करिए, that don't do that, it is not good habit. Okay, you take the initiative. आपके घर, start from your home, start from yourself. आप क्या करो, पानी वेस्ट मत करो. कोई दूसरा आपके घर में वेस्ट कर रहा है तो tell them that don't waste water, don't litter around. Okay, just make it clear clean and make it जितना आपको use हो, use that much only. Don't waste it. Okay. So this was about the water. Okay. In next class, we'll talk about water pollution. We'll see how the water is getting polluted and what are the causes of water pollution. Okay. Children, this was about the water and why water is so important and why there is need to preserve water and not waste the water. These are the reasons. Okay, so that's all about today's class. Hope you have understood it a bit. Okay, in the next class, we'll continue with this topic and we'll talk about water pollution and then we'll see air pollution. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.